Assemble drilling tractor. Keep up the great work.